Queen Ifrica under fire for a raunchy performance. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full and exclusive details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. Rastafarian reggae artist Queen Ifrica is facing a sea of negative criticism after a video of her performing with a male patron on stage has gone viral. We don't want that bracket to you. We can't take no more from this. You can't see it, but you can't see it. So you can In a video now circulating on social media, Queen Ifrica can be seen bending over as a male approaches her from behind. The male then proceeded to gyrate on the lioness on the right singer as she performs her single Keep It To Yourself. At one point, another male attempted to dance with the entertainer, but she shut him down by indicating she could only manage to entertain one man at a time. The performance has since caused a stir on social media, with many dubbing Queen Ifrica's action as uncalled for, especially as the singer is seen as a conscious reggae artist. Other people shared mixed views and reviews and stated that Queen Ifrica's actions were very contrary to the Empress image she portrayed through the music. Attempts made by reporters to get a comment from the entertainer proved futile. We'll have more details to come on this in a later newscast. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.